I just pray we go back to the old days, land of the free, home of the brave.
What's going on, Celiac here, and this is the video from Titusville. I will leave links in the description below for the meet and greet where all the other auditors, they were giving where we were talking. I'll put that in the description so that you can watch it. It's about an hour long. I didn't include that in this video, but what I did include in this video is kind of the scene and what was going on and everything that was going on that day. I appreciate everybody that did show up. I can't say thank you enough to everybody, especially the speakers that I had there. We had Honor Your Oath, James Madison, Rogue Nation, Rights Crispy, Acura Amanda, and American Amy. I can't say thank you enough for everybody being there. I can't say thank you enough for all the people that came out and participated. I'm glad we had a great time. We had about 50 people out there, and it was just an amazing time. I am in the works on planning another gathering that should be coming out, I'd say somewhere around November, December, or it's either going to be mid-November, early December. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be coming. And let's just get right into it. So don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. We're almost to 100,000. We're about 8,000 away, so just keep telling your friends, keep hitting that little bell, hit all those little bells and all that good stuff. So thank you to all of you, and I can't say that enough. And let's get into it. Celiac, deuces. Go get him. Hey, where you going, man? Come back, please. I wanna be your best friend. Me and you, best friends forever. What's up, dude? How you doing? Yeah, you come to hang out today? You guess? Where's your fishing pole?
We already fished today.
Yeah, you just saw the channel? Yeah, nice, man. I appreciate it. What's your name?
Chase.
Nice to meet you, Chase. What's your name, bud? Oh, man. Well, I'm glad you showed up. I hope you got an appetite and you're hungry for some food.
That wasn't supposed to happen. So I said, I know